I messed up. I recently went live when I didn't want to. Prematurely. But recently I switched over from Claude to Codex, and I think I like it more. So yeah, the only thing that is a little bit scary is the weekly usage or whatever, weekly quota. I'm just used to it being every 4 hours or 5 hours or whatever it is. But I haven't ran into the weekly quota, but I'm also looking at wanting to use my subscriptions more often because I've had a Claude subscription for a while, but like I fall into like a cycle of just not using it at all. And I don't know. I feel like I can just do more with Codex. It's more of like a vibe or like a feeling thing. So that's where I am with it. But right now, what I'm gonna do for this stream, it probably won't be too long, is I already have a working ESP thermometer going, but I want to have it not be reliant on an outlet. I want it to, be a standalone box or a standalone product or whatever. And the hard part for me is I don't know how to do any of the wiring yet. So I'm going to be using Codex to help me figure out a plan or whatever I need to do to figure this out. So I'm going to give it what I have on hand right now from the list that Claude gave me, but yeah. Um, mm, mm, this is I have this first before I put it into a box. I need to make sure that like the whole thing works. I have this, which is a uh multimeter, multimeter. So yeah, um, I'm going through my Amazon orders of everything I've bought so far. Um, had to buy um the power converters or the boost converters. Again, I had lost them. I don't know what happened, but um, Because one of the battery holders that I bought is smaller, but this is the bigger one that actually holds these 18 uh 18650 batteries. And I didn't know that at the time. But thankfully I bought the right ones. Uh, oh man. Let's do that. Mm, is that it? Wait, is that it? Let me look again. What they do is buy some kind of like micro USB to USB-C or something, or I don't know, some kind of something, and also wire splitters. Right, so then I'm trying to figure out. Um, um, this may take a while. Verify. Recommended connections. Why? And guessing wrong with the card cell is unsafe. Okay. Can I do that? What is that? Okay. Right there. Our compatible parts list is missing a safe lithium charging stage. Changes voltage only, but it does not safely charge or stop over discharge. See, I don't know this world, so I can't verify if this is like it sounds right, but I don't know if what I already have mitigates that issue. That's bad. That's a random parts you can use. Okay. Mm, I'm becoming more and more motivated to get this project done. Like not relying on an outlet um recently. So I'm back at it. Even though I've been logging my temperatures over time and stuff like that and different heats and stuff. So it's helped. It's helped a lot. Um, yeah. Person for the following instructions handles charge all check. Must contain the oven of fixing that distinction. Is it saying the air? Oh, needs steady through its micros, roughly, so it cannot safely power that direct. Need this train to protect the battery. G power board, like water pressure. Your battery's pressure change. Into steady. One problem. Your battery description says both. Okay. Does it actually say that though? My battery. Oh, okay, it is. Huh? It never said that. Hold up. Hold on. Where are we with this? Oh, yeah, it did. Hmm. Well, here's the thing. Can't I test it? Mm. Let's try this. I can't use that photo or my camera right now. Let's try. What's about right? What's about right? Reputable battery pack. It's, don't I already have this? Oh, oh. Uh, I'm gonna give it another board. Mm, nothing better than this. Huh? I'm confused. Don't tell me I lost him again. Is this third dish? I think this just may be a power converter, not a board like that same. Uh, to the from that board to okay. Um, dang it. Hmm. Hmm. The heck? Oh, yeah, I'm not buying from this. Hold on. No. Produces regulated for that. Can operate the project while charging. It should be used with a protected battery, such as. I just never. What? A new tab, please. What? Hey, open browser tab. I can't open a new browser tab. Hmm. Okay, fine. Um, dude, exact RAM. Still need to look at it. That looks kind of similar. And these look kind of similar. But oh, this is a bigger battery. Oh, that's a way bigger battery compared to that. Man, what's the time on this? Well, I guess I can't really give a time on that, but huh. Okay. Okay. What was that? Sorry. Um, and protection should be equivalent. But oh, I think I understand now. That wire that is coming out of the this means that it's protected, but this is unprotected, I believe. Oh, okay, okay. But the specifications and protection should be equivalent. Parts is inside. The first berry test do not use yet. Uh, okay. Measures. It does not protect anything. Um, not limit voltage. Oh, part confirmed. Right, let's see. If we require additional programming, yes. First assembly. After obtaining the protected battery and a power board, connect it to, as it is now, verify the batteries, the battery connectors, red and black wires match the power board's polarity. This Hmm. How many voltages is this? Covering the 5U. Hmm. I think I think buying the rocker and everything may have been overkill because I may have just been skipping steps and figuring out how to do this the right way. It may work out, it may not. It may blow this whole thing up. Or just not have enough voltage to work, like it said. Um, Connect the boards regularly. Confirm. Charge it. Only after that. And fuel gauge. Okay. Let's just ask this first before. I said this wouldn't be a long stream, but oh, less than 30 minutes. I can still claim this to be a short stream. The next expose reliably, so I'm checking the live listing and the in app before judging me. Isn't that? What do you mean? Hmm, but it said. It is not claiming one. What? Hmm, combination, but I don't want to buy from them. Huh? Let's see if this has it on Amazon. And quick. Assure you. I have that right here somewhere. Um, okay. Let me link both of these because I found some options on Amazon. I'm still not sure. Because it looks kind of weird. Um, about the, I'd recommend not buying it for this build, although she won't change different boards or shoot randomly. There is no manufacturing food. Is this an ad? The power boost is more expensive, but it's charging behaving. I don't know. Supplies regulated, it's unexpensive. You might need, I don't need a regular holder. So everything that Claude recommended me does not, is not required. Okay. I'm only buying from Amazon. Uh, oh, what am I doing? The heck is that? No! Dang it. Dang it. Okay, so like, never mind. And then about this. Search that too. Um, this looks the same. Oh, it says what? $24.65. I guess that's the product ID. Spot. Nope. They're the exact same thing. They're actually the exact same thing. Okay, buy the why? It's really no, it's not unavailable. What? I can buy it right now. The first one to my card. I think both are kind of acceptable, but I'm just releasing. What the heck? Okay. What is that? If putting into the proper user must be able to verify the mm, this is I probably need a shorter one. USB-A2 micro speed cable. I don't need this to be long. Blah, 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 blah. Up to let's do that. Hmm. That's 6 inches. Is there a short one? 8 inches. These listings don't even listen. The filters don't even listen. I just need under a foot, not over a foot. Okay. No, I would not buy the Amazon list. Concerns, no customer rating. Listed only since that, no schematic, blah 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 blah. I'm not concerned. Not concerned. Not concerned. Not concerned. Low battery indication. It's the exact same thing. This is the exact same thing. Hold up. Wait. Open this one. This is the exact same thing. I don't understand. Oh, that's cool. Now I see how it's done. That's cool. Oh, this isn't rocket science. Never mind. Okay. I'm not scared anymore of this. Never mind. I'm not even following this. I'm just gonna buy the alternatives from Amazon. This is an ad if I've ever seen one. Uh, Now if this comes back to bite me, this has been documented. I just don't listen, and I'm hard headed. The USB-A output connector comes loose and must be soldered onto the board. May include a soldering iron. We can walk through that step when it arrives. Fine. Let's do that. What about cut? So that. Is there anything else? I'm kind of upset that I just bought a whole bunch of stuff for nothing that I never even used and never even tried to see if it would work. But there is a simpler way. And Claude never told me that this even existed. This is cool. And then once that works, let's go back to this. Once that works, because there is no turning it off or turning it on, I just have to unplug it. But hold on. This is what I'm looking at. It would sit in here, or an even bigger one, but it would sit in something like this. But I can't like open, close, open, close all the time. It's too much. So I would have to have a rocker or something on the outside to be like on, off, on, off. But baby steps. It's gonna look disjointed at first. I have to remind myself of that. All right, I think we have a plan. So, but buy the USB cables and whatever. I'm not doing that. Do not use the Okay, fine. I'm buying this from Amazon. I'm looking at like, what's the problem? I really don't understand. It's the same engraving, same number, same everything. Well, it doesn't have the branding of the Adafruit logo, but that's about it. It's a solid board. Hmm. Oh well. Power switch. Thank you. Thank you. And then I can just buzz something in here, cut this box, and then we're off to the races. And now I have a box. Title of this stream is called A Box. By the so you have everything that one goes into the ESP, one goes to the power boost. Cool. Mm. What? Oh, I already have that. A brick. Small. But I want it illuminated. This sucks. Um, the power boost includes the USB socket, but it must be soldered onto the board. Your existing 12 is unsuitable until we can. Okay, important. Do not buy. I'm gonna buy it. Okay. What just happened? Oh, I'm late to the. All right. I've been looking at the chat. That's my bad. What's up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Good morning. If it is morning for you, sir, madam, or yeah, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. It's morning time for me, but I don't know. I don't know. Trying to figure this whole thing out. It's my first time. I already have a thermometer working. It reads like the uh temperature, the air pressure and humidity, but I'm looking to not have just loose wires everywhere and have it in here. So yeah, yeah. It's my first time ever doing something like this. Granted, what I have works right now, but just looking around wires and the pins sometimes are potentially getting damaged. I don't want that. I don't like living a risky life like that. So I'm gonna be a little bit more mature. I'm just gonna blow something up in my office rather than it blowing up in the wild. So that's where I am with it. But I think I have everything in my cart ready to be bought. Oh, the Switch. The Switchiana. Uh, it's a lot of Switches though. 15 pieces. 15 pieces. Ridiculous. Yes, that Switch will work. Okay. Add to cart. This is normal for this board. Buy it if with your plan case. One unintuitive detailed whatever. Um oh yeah, I have it on here. And the GND. Oh no. Wait a second. Wait a minute. I am jumping ahead, and this is where it starts to get confusing. Because I'm looking at these holes where these pins are supposed to be, and I don't know if I can just solder things directly on there or not. Because if I want to use a rocker or a switch, okay, soldering iron. What does that look like? Yeah, I have that. I have that. And heat shrink tube. Hmm? I don't understand. I'm adding it anyways. Okay. Mm, this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna mess up the soldering because it's gonna be my first time. I'm gonna mess up the soldering. Hmm. Okay. Complete the joint. Okay. And just for my final question. Cool. 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 All right. Well, this was fun. I will be back whenever this comes in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you whenever it comes in. But yeah, peace.